So I know it's pretty hot outside, but there's a lot that needs done. So what do you want to start working on? Do you want to work on a project in the shop?
No.
The semi has a fantastic air leak that won't let it build pressure. No. Okay, the gooseneck has a light that's about to fall out and the other one's broke. Can we work on that? No. What about at least change the oil in the sprayer and the swather? That needs done. No. Okay, fine. Then what do you want to do on a hot day? Because we can't just sit around and do nothing. Right?